Mabalik ang Rotary in Action. This time, kasama natin ang members ng Rotary Club of Parañaque Metro para sa kanilang nalalapit na Emergency Medical Services Summit and Expo. Past President Marge and Doc Ted, bati po muna kayo sa ating mga televiewers.
Good evening, fellow Rotarians and all our partners in service at ang lahat ng EMS practitioners, of course. Good evening.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening po sa inyo, pati po sa mga emergency medical service providers, mga pre-hospital care providers. Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Umpisa ko lang yung tanong, kasi para sa kaalaman ng ating mga manunod dito sa Rotary in Action, ano po ang mangyayari dito sa inyong nalalapit na Emergency Medical Services and Summit and Expo?
Bali po pagtitipon ito ng mga emergency medical technicians.
Okay.
Sila yung mga nakasakay sa ambulansya. Para lang maintindihan natin, pati nagmamaneho.
Okay.
Lahat po yan. So pag sila yung unang rumiresponde. So ginagawa po natin bilang
Kung may mga
Rotarians.
aksidente,
Opo.
yan,
So ang ginagawa natin bilang Rotarians, pagsamasamahin sila sa isang pagpupulong para i-address nila kung ano yung pinaka-hottest issue tungkol sa kanilang practice.
Yun ho ba? Doon lang ho sa inyong distrito ninyo magagawa o
Hindi
buong
po.
Pilipinas?
Ang project po namin is actually, ang boundary namin is Angeles to San Pablo. Seamless. Sana ang dream natin.
North to south, from north to
kung may
south.
911, wala pa kasi tayong ganon.
Yes, totoo.
So yun yung dream ng Rotary. Magkaroon tayo ng seamless service.
At yung project niya na yan, sabi niyo, nasimulan niyo 3
3
years
years ago. Opo.
So yan,
Nabanggit yung
balak niyo
ano?
tuloy-tuloy nang gawin at palakihin yung
Palakihin.
Nabanggit
organisasyon.
yung Summit and Expo. Kailan yun? Meron bang date for that?
Yes. Yung summit itself is May 23.
May 20.
Pero ang EMS Week observance, nagsisimula yung linggo.
Yeah, nag-uumpisa siya mula May 20 hanggang 26. Ito po ay ang EMS Week na tinatawag. It's sineselebrate to internationally. Ngayon sa atin, 3 taon na natin ginagawa dito sa Pilipinas. And hopefully, every year, sa loob ng 3 taon, lumalaki yung ating observance sa EMS Week.
Okay, at sino-sino naman ang iba niyo pang partners dito sa project niya na ito, bukod dito sa aming programang Rotary in Action?
So yung unang-unang taon po ng natin observance, ang naging partner natin ay Bureau of Fire Protection, who is the lead agency as far as EMS service because of the comprehensive fire code. And then TESDA, kasi sila po yung nag-o-offer ng emergency
Training.
nag-o-authorize ng emergency medical services training, tapos nakakakuha mga graduates ng NC2, National Certificate 2. And then ang first LGU na nag-respond to help us was San Fernando. Kaya yung first summit, ngayon may mga barangay na pong sumasama sa atin at sa munisipyo.
So yung mga kasagayan nun, anong mga events yung mga ginagawa ninyo?
Yung mga EMS practitioners, gusto mo i-rundown? Mas maganda yung rundown natin.
For this year na EMS observance ng summit, yung the entire week, mag-uumpisa po ng May 20 sa Sunday, meron fun run. Ang venue yata ay will be, for details na lang, bibigyan namin later yung mga
Pero
contact information.
before that,
Yes.
May
who are
medical
invited
mission.
to the Summit and Expo?
It's yung mga invited po is and the entire pre-hospital care providers, meaning from yung sa mga CPR providers down to the level ng mga emergency medical technicians.
This year we're opening and inviting also mga emergency room nurses and
Okay.
Ang talagang beneficiary din tong Rotary project natin, kaya ini-increase natin yung awareness tungkol sa EMS. Marami kasing nurses, for example, nag-graduate pero unemployed.
Okay.
So, ang beauty ngayon na nagkaroon na ng disaster risk management law, meron ng mga openings nakikreate na yung industriya. And also there's a pending bill in Congress right now to set up a national EMS organization and service. Hopefully lahat tayo can afford cannot afford and can afford. Pwede may access na sa emergency medical service.
So,
Hopefully
Past
that's
President,
it. Tapos isang number na lang tatawagan, yung mga ganon.
Mas President Marge, ano naman ang role dito ng TESDA?
TESDA is the authority as far as the schools offering
yung
emergency
training.
medical service.
Okay.
Sila yung nagmo-monitor ng quality of
Sabi mo
education.
kanina, they give certificates for those who will
Who
successfully
graduate and
graduate
pass
from
the
this
assessment.
seminar. Okay, so para nagkakaroon ng accreditation ba yung mga
NC2 ang tawag
NC2,
natin doon.
National Certificate.
National Certificate. Tapos meron din po yung mga nagtuturo sa schools na yung kagaya nila, kailangan pumasa sila ng assessment and trainers methodology. So yung curriculum and everything, standard yan.
Okay.
Also mga accredited schools.
Past President March, kasi dito sa UNTV, meron kasi kami tinatawag na yung aming rescue team.
Po.
Sa
Kapartner
UNTV.
po natin sila.
Ayun.
Kasama po.
Maganda na kasi
They have been joining us for how two summits already.
Yung yung tulong muna bago balita.
Opo.
So,
Kaya nga po kami napapunta rin dito.
Okay.
Kaya ganun. Pero they have been there attending also during the summits. Malaking tulong po talaga.
At least maganda yung inyong ginagawa ngayon kasi kagaya every time na merong mga aksidente, yung iba bubuhati na lang, yung pala dapat ililay down.
Yung tama.
Actually,
Yung tama or tingnan kung alin ang masakit sa kanila.
sa halip na makatulong, lumalala yung sitwasyon.
Yan yung gusto nating baguhin din kasi ang old practice yung tinatawag lang scoop and run. Pagkuha ang pasyente, bit-bit. Pero ang actually, ang idea, yung mga mula ambulansya hanggang dumating sa ospital, may management all throughout, mula dun sa scene itself hanggang sa ambulansya, may management
So
ang
sakop din yan yung mga training during disasters, hindi ba?
Opo.
Pagka mga ganun, mga rescue.
Actually, one component po to, ang EMS, isang component ng the entire disaster risk reduction management.
Okay.
So isa siyang
And simple first aid sa bahay is part of this one. The first aiders and mga ganyan. Opo.
Okay, so naku, marami pa kaming gustong
maraming
malaman
malawak
dyan
po
at
talaga.
Maraming dapat makaalam
Pwede naman
tungkol
kayong
dyan.
bumalik
Opo,
dito.
vocational
anytime sa
service,
susunod
community
na
service.
pagkakataon.
Kaya meanwhile, medyo kapos po ating
Opo.
oras.
Maraming
Magpapatuloy
salamat
pa.
for the opportunity.
Magpapatuloy pa ang ating talakayan. Magbabalik ang Rotary in Action.
Babalik ang Rotary in Action at ating pong ipagpapatuloy ang ating community service. Kasama po natin ngayon ang taga Rotary Club of Parañaque Metro. Ayan.
8:30.
District.
District
So,
8:30.
ipagpatuloy
Governor,
natin yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina about your...
General.
Yeah, kasi kanina,
Yung EMS.
sa
EMS.
Rotary Basics, di ba? Yung ano. So itong project na to maraming avenues of service na tinatamaan kasi. So yung kanina yung summit, ang area of focus noon is yung peace and conflict resolution kasi nag-unite tayo ng mga practitioners. Pero may matching grant din po kami na ipapilot namin sa Parañaque with the help of our rescue unit, and that is the tricycle ambulance and the first responders who are in mountain bikes kasi yung mga
Paano yan?
purok-purok kasi di ba?
Tricycle ambulance
Yes,
talaga.
we saw a model in
Paano kung
in
hindi
Africa.
Paano kung hindi, kung kailangan nakaunat
Kung hindi
yung-
kasya.
Yun po, yung nga may model na ngayon na lumabas na electric tricycle.
Converted
Oo.
naman.
And then sa London naman yung mga naka-mountain bikes para sila yung first responders. Kasi ang ambulansya hindi basta-basta nakakapasok.
Pwede sa mga
Oo,
sigit.
and ang Parañaque has a bigger plan. Yeah,
Meron
so
ka ng prototype na sinasabi?
it's now under design
Ah, talaga?
and it was funded by
Tricycle.
District 3620 at
Sa mga
China of
barangays
Korea
ba?
and Sussexville in England
Oh,
ang tumulong
exempted
sa
na.
matching.
Pare, patulong tayo.
Show it to us.
Patulong tayo
Opo,
pag-design kayo
pag-umandar
dito.
na.
Pag meron na silang prototype about this one, you
Yes.
can show it on TV kasi
Yes.
you might inspire other districts.
No, but you know that makes sense, Lynn, because you know you get into an ambulance, you're held up by traffic,
Yes.
and this way for
Small-
simpler emergencies, then you can
that would
certainly
help.
take them
Wow.
into
Kasi po nung San Fernando Summit, yung first, yun ang lumabas, in the rural areas, you cannot really serve them and give that
Yes, you're
response.
addressing a
because
need,
it's,
actually.
it's
Wow.
narrow and also.
That's interesting.
And then Parañaque, you've been training a lot in di ba, mga
in
barangays.
mga barangays, we've been training emergency medical first responders also sa lahat ng mga barangays.
Ito yung district
For mga
disaster management
yes,
responses.
yan, yung isa sa mga ginagawa
So,
namin today.
ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy ito.
Opo.
all year
Tuloy-tuloy
round.
yan.
Kasi sa ngayon, wala pa yung leveling natin, yung tinatawag na scope of practice.
Kasi-
So you have the EMRs, the emergency responders is the lower. What we have is the NC2, yung EMTs. Tapos meron pang higher level yan, yung paramedic. So wala pa yung ganyang ngayon ng scope of
Sa
practice
phase
na.
1 ka pa lang or
So
step one.
yeah, making
building
them
the
aware of the basics muna. So
Actually,
that's-
Do you know
UNTV has
Generally,
that kind of
is
project.
Their district is
Opo,
heavy on disaster management.
Yung UNTV has that kind of project. In fact,
Disaster management.
UNTV yung
lahat,
response. Yeah.
yung tulong mo na bago balita ni Kuya Daniel, ay nanalo na yan sa ano eh. nanalo
Kapartner
na yan
po
sa-
namin sila sa summit.
So bagay pala talaga yung guesting nyo dito.
Parang yung quick response team, ano ha?
Ayan o, yan o, yan.
So ang
yan.
community service yung
Ayan.
pagbaba.
Lahat
nasa
ng ating mga
community.
news reporters, cameraman, tinry natin talaga na mag...
Meron kayo yung nagro-ronda,
Yan sila.
Yes,
especially in the wee hours of the morning, di ba? Makikita ko yun dito.
Kaya nga maganda yung AMT nila dahil maraming makapagpa-participate and matututo on how they will address yung mga crisis, di ba? Tsaka yung mga during disaster.
Magaling.
And who do you partner with in terms of ACLS training?
Right now, there are schools accredited, di ba? Pero ang Philippine Heart Association, ang partner natin this year for the mass training because they're the ones issuing
BLS.
certificates also for the training.
Marilen, their district is the one of Robert.
That's right. Yes.
Robert.
Siya ngayon ang governor.
Kuhan, si Governor
siya ang
Robert.
incoming,
Di ba po? Si Susan Camarillo tapos si Robert.
Okay, tama.
Si Billy Villarreal ngayon. Bali, ang sa exposition natin, actually, UNTV is one of
Thank you.
Mga partners.
Yeah. Doon sa summit po.
Okay.
Ipe-present din nila yung programa nyo, kung anong ginagawa.
Ayan, yan ang ating mga...
This is one step towards yung vocational awards naman natin, yung exemplar na EMS. So we have a criteria for that, yung following Rotary's ethical standards, yung mga ganyan.
How old is your club?
Our club is 15-year-old. And this EMS project is 3-year-old. We're into basically tourism. Yun ang core namin. And how can you have medical tourism kung yung pre-hospital care industry mo ay hindi pa well-developed?
That's why you're into
Embryonic.
it.
That's why we pushed it.
So yung club nyo, ang focus ng project nyo is towards that.
Always job creation. And ang definition namin kasi ng peace, even before peace was the theme,
And peace
was
through
poverty
service.
alleviation and development.
Kaya nga you're eyeing matching grants to help you finance the project. Kasi ang coverage nyo pa lang is from San Fernando ba? Up to Quezon?
We started Angeles. We built the first ambulance simulator. That was our first project for the
simulator pa kayo.
students. Kasi hindi naman laging available for assessment ang mga ambulansya.
So pagka well-funded
sa
na yan,
healthcare na
nationwide na yan.
Fully.
Yeah. Let's make it nationwide.
Yes. So,
Okay. Past President, meron bang sasabihin, Marge? Kung ano?
si Ted na lang siguro para
Ted,
sa safety tip or whatever para sa mga lahat
Para
ng
sa
tao.
maraming salamat. Para sa EMS, maibalik ko lang sa kanina, iniimbitahan ko po lahat ng mga pre-hospital care providers na mag-attend ng EMS Summit and Expo sa May 23, Wednesday, sa Tandang Sora Hall, TESDA Women's Center. 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. po yun.
Pwede pong mag-appeal sa
Tell them if it's free or they have to para
pwede
they can
pong
be
mag-appeal sa
prepared.
Rotarians if they can sponsor yung mga Bureau of Fire Protection, if they can attend so that they can attend the
firemen,
summit.
mga
firefighters.
Yung nasa EMS at saka yung mga barangay na nasa disaster. If they can may bayad ng konti. 500.
No, tell them how much it will cost so we can
500 bucks
prepare.
po.
So each club.
500 per
Okay.
participant for the meals and
Ano yung sinasama mo?
Kasi,
Malapit ng Vice
yan
President.
po ang ating mga bisita. Maraming salamat at magbabalik ang Rotary in Action. Stay with us.